ensemble. I'm going to have these guys come out front. This year we have our coach who's not able to be here, but Vivian Rodriguez is going to be our pit coach this year. But also led by we had somebody come on board who's just really been instrumental in growing this percussion program. When I met him, I realized immediately this is somebody I really wanted to work with, and I'm so glad that he's decided to come on board and support our program here. Mr. Luigi Sione's over here. And they're going to be playing a piece that was actually composed by an alumni from Monrovia High School, Jenna Lee Singh. This is called Chord Progression.